Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Here we have to scroll down again to localize this backup option and tap on next. Tap on add account and make sure that we've got the internet connection, it is required. Then let's tap on the option who's going to use this device, and here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And then tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and then tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, and here we can decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's totally up to you. I will mark only this option and then tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.